Hey Dainty Dolls, I hope all is well. If you have read the title of this video, then you know this is an unboxing video. And although there is a hint in the title of this video as well, you don't know exactly which bag I got. So please stay tuned to find out.
Which bag did I buy?
So let me just get to it. You feel me? Because I'm sure you guys are like, what kind of bag is it? What kind of bag is it? So let me stop rambling and let you guys see what bag I have. Drum roll, please. Yeah, that's my drum roll. I don't know what's up with that. But anyway, okay, so the bag is here. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? So this is the bag that it comes in. And just a side note, when your bag has a bag, that's when you know it's official. So this is the bag that comes with my tote. Oh my gosh, I just gave you guys a hint. But this is the bag that came with the purchase that I made. So it comes in this bag. Right. And then I love the color, by the way. The orange color and the blue, it just, ooh, I love it. I love it, right? So without further ado, let me get the reason for this video, right? Let me get the bag for you. And it actually comes in this type of box. It's like magnetized. So awesome. I love this. Let me go ahead and unbox this, right? So, okay, still the box. And it has this magnetic open top, right? So in here, if you guys can see, in here is the bag. Whoa. In here is the bag, and it has a duster. So let me, so here is the duster. If you want to just keep it in the duster for storage, but the duster comes with it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and oh, you guys saw it a little bit, but I'm going to show you the bag that I got. This is what she looks like, and I'm sorry, I just opened the box, so it does have a crease, and they do fold it this way, so when you purchase it, it's going to have this crease in it. Once they box it that way. So yeah, this is the actual bag. The make of this is actually the Damier Azure canvas. And I love this. I love this pattern. It's good for spring, it's good for summer, and it's very like classy, but then again, it's not what you see often. Most people have the brown and the dark brown and like the beige colored one, and that's the one with the LV monogram on it, as well as the box print. Similar to this, but it's just a different color scheme. So I do love this canvas, and it is in the MM model, and that is the medium size bag. So they have a GM, which is the bigger size bag, and then they also have a PM, which is smaller than this bag. So I'm going to stop rambling about that and just let you guys see the bag. I do have my initials on it, and that is front and back. I put SB on here, and it's heat pressed, and I love that because it definitely gives you originality. And the inside of the bag, if you can see, this is the zip here. It does come with one zipper in the bag, and then it does have, of course, the brand in there. And the inside of this bag, the actual name for this is the, oh my gosh, what is it? Brain freeze. Ballerine. This is the inside of the bag. It is really huge in here, right? It also comes with a really cute wristlet or pouchette, whichever one you like to call it. Some people call it a pouchette. You can call it a wristlet. Basically, it comes with the bag as well. And you can always detach it. Let me show you what I'm doing here. You can detach it from this area here, right? And all you have to do is clamp it on to this back piece, right? And it becomes a wristlet. So you do have the option to wear it as a wristlet or a pouchette. So let me tell you some cool things that I learned about it. So it doesn't zip at all, it's just open, but you do have the option to close it with a clasp here. And it does help with protecting your stuff in the inside. So the clasp is there. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And the hardware on this purse is gold, which is why I got my heat press in gold as well to match the hardware of the purse or tote. So the interior is called Rose Ballerine. And then of course the actual print is the Damier Azur canvas. I also learned that you could cinch in the sides of this bag as well to give it a different look. So this makes it look smaller if you like that size. So that is really cool. I'm gonna wear it just how it is without cinching, the wide style, because I'm actually gonna take this bag as I travel. And that's one of the main reasons why I did want to get it as well, because I do travel, and as far as a carry-on, the ones that I do have, I typically fill it to the rim and then it's full. Hence the name of this bag. I don't know why I'm telling you guys so late. It's the Neverfull. That's the style. And what I love, love, love about it is the reason why they do call it the Neverfull is because literally it's never full. Like, I put my laptop in here, I could put my camera in here, I could put almost everything, maybe even me, I probably could fit in here too, and it's not full. How do I know? I haven't put my computer in this exact bag, but I do know someone that has this bag, and before I did purchase it, well, not this style, they have a similar style, but before I actually purchased it, I did put my computer in there, in her bag, as well as my camera, just to see if it fit, and it did. So I was sold on this bag. I will definitely show you guys how it looks on my body style. I am 5'2" and 103 pounds. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks on me. Where are my manners? I am filming this video, in case you're wondering. I am filming this video before I get on the plane because I am getting ready to head out. So this was a perfect timing to get this purse or tote, however you want us to call it, or whatever you call it. It was the perfect time. So I am so excited, guys. I will definitely give a review on this bag. If you guys want me to do a review, just let me know. So yeah, just make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that once we do post more videos, you are the first to be notified. Well, you know, besides us, of course. And by us, I do mean me as well as Peta. But once we do upload, you will be notified. So yeah, again, thank you so very much, guys, for tuning in. I love, 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 love my Neverfull bag. I will send pictures. Not send, what am I thinking? I will take pictures as well as video so that you see what it looks like on. And I am so excited, y'all. So excited. There is also something else that I did want to mention about the tote that I thought was really cool. Basically all of the pieces of the hardware has like a monogram on them. For example, the clasp, not all of them, but most of them, but the clasp, it does have the LV on it. What else? Oh yes, to show you the zipper, basically the actual size of the zipper. Oh, if I can get my hand in there, okay. So the actual size of the zipper is there. It's pretty deep, so that's good. And also, another good thing is when you do purchase your bag or whatever it is that you're purchasing, you're going to get your receipt in this type of form as well. So you're gonna get the receipt, you're gonna get your bag with the box, the duster, as well as the actual bag that the box comes in. So again, guys, I thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know if you have any questions. This is the Neverfull Demier Azure canvas with the rose ballerine interior. So let me know what you guys think. I'm going to head out before I miss my flight. That's not cool. So until next time.